Oh, so it's been fairly quick getting around. Like, I've only got 2 more places on my list to go to, about 50 minutes long as well. So after that, what I'm gonna do is just chill, really, see what else. Maybe I'll start doing the food stuff after that. But for now, I just want to see like all the landmarks, iconic places. It actually hurts me I ain't got my camera, so videos got to make do for now. On my phone as well. So it's upsetting though. So we're back to like an Oxford Street type setting here. Yeah, I get some questions sometimes, right? Some people ask me, like, where did you get the confidence to actually vlog and stuff like that? The answer is you just learn it. Like, if you think about it, right? I'm literally surrounded by thousands of people with a camera in my face, holding it by myself. I don't really care. And you shouldn't either, because everybody's gonna see you, forget about you like 2 seconds later. And this is a memory for a lifetime for you. Do you know what I'm saying? So I just wouldn't even think about it like that. Obviously, in a city like this where it's a lot bigger and packed, it's probably more easier to actually do this than it is in a place where it's just you on your own remotely. Do you know what I'm saying? But you can make it work regardless. You should just be able to do it anywhere. Let's put it that way. I don't think it was, but I'm gonna go down there just because I've seen this. I'm gonna go in the shade though, because the camera's starting to overheat when it's blazing sun. When I tell you it's like 30 something degrees, to be honest, the camera's doing really well, considering it's in this heat. Some of these buildings, they ain't even really got no like specific name. I feel like it's just like the architecture that makes it stand out, but it's just like a general building. Like, look at this one. It feels like freshly painted. This whole plaza looks sick. Like, no shit. This looks crazy cool. I've got to walk back the way I came, but I kind of just want to walk underneath this, so I can kind of show you the levels to it. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you ever come in Florence, come for a couple of days, man, because you got to actually, there's a lot to see, a lot to take in. And when you stay, if you were to stay in like a hostel or something, I'm sure you'll make lots of friends who you could actually chill with and everything like that too. So, but look at this building, man. Just remember what I was saying about every individual like portion of it is literally chiseled, sculpted by hand. This weren't no machinery back then, innit? So obviously this one looks like it's just been freshly gone over with paint, or the top, if you look at the top part, it's obviously newer than the bottom part. So maybe that part was done like that, I don't know. But I think the next destination is actually that bridge, that water bridge. Alright guys, so we're actually in the shady portion now. This heat is coming down crazy today. Man, but we're heading over to that bridge part now. That like famous little bridge where they've got like shops on it and stuff over the water, I'm pretty sure. But see, if I had my camera, this would be a beautiful shot as well, man. That's actually upsetting, man. I need. Bro, listen, this camera business changed my life, man. When you got the eye of a photographer and you ain't got a device to take the shot, I should tell a lie, I got my phone, what am I talking about? It ain't gonna be the same, but I'd rather get it than not get it. Do you know what I'm saying? But honestly speaking, life without a camera is actually a painful life, man. When you be walking all these places and you can't even take the photos you want to take, it's dark. So what's the... Hello. How you doing, brother?
You from Africa?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Look.
I'll put it on after. So.
Look.
What is it?
Elephant. Look. You come from?
Country or London?
Senegal.
Senegal. You speak French?
Yes.
Yeah?
Look nice.
Okay. Nice, real leather. It's okay, I don't want this one.
You know, I'm give me help. They have given me help for the US money, something. Money.
What do you want, money?
Yes.
I haven't got money, unfortunately.
US, American money, US money, US.
I haven't got US.
Give 5 people, 5.
I haven't got money. I pay everything with card. Can you get this up? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So there you go. You got your scavengers everywhere you go, man. Oh, we'll just be following the water. Hello. Yeah. So we'll just be following the water. She was saying peace to the camera. So we're back on this like Oxford Street type road again. And I think we're turning right. Oh, she's fine. Man, them. Shot after be shot. And we're going towards that bridge landmark where they got like the shops on the bridge. Then you got the River Arno running below it. So we'll check that out. So you kind of got a bridge and then you got like all shops around the bridge which goes over the water. So the water's literally underneath us right now and we're literally surrounded by shops. So what do they call it again? Let me see. My map keeps trying to navigate to different places, so it kind of... Oh yeah, that's it, Ponte Vecchio. So I'm at the middle point of the bridge now where you could actually see the water. And I think there's kind of like a monument to whoever the bridge was made for. So let's have a look at the river. Everybody's coming there to get their photos. Once again, I ain't got a camera, so... But yeah, man, it's the same River Arno from where we were down in Pisa before. And then on the other side, I'm guessing the name of the bridge has something to do with this guy.
It was a terrible.
Wow, there's so many there. This side is just the other side, but it's way shady on the side. Is this cleaner than the Thames, I wonder? Probably. Let's keep going. One more landmark after this, which is literally just across the water. But look how packed it is. So it looks like a lot of jewelers just on this bridge. Loads of jewelry shop, gold, silver. That's literally the only thing there is: diamonds, gold and silver. Maybe I should do like a gemstone video like I did in Turkey, yeah? Since they got a lot of gemstone things on this bridge.
Okay. Sì.
I gotta try the gelato here as well, man. So the last place we have to see is the walls of Florence. So let's go down and walk towards that. It's about a 19-minute walk. But this walls of Florence should be interesting. Do you know that in Assassin's Creed, yeah, where you used to be able to climb up onto the walls, like on the outside of the actual town? Yeah, I'm just moving like one nerd right now, but... Oh man, ristorante. Look at that smart car. That's crazy, you know. One seater, you know. Crazy. I need a bottle of water, man. This weather's killing me. Weather's literally dehydrating me, man. Italy during the summer's no joke, man. No joke at all. Supposed to go up there. Well, with this heat and I got to hike up a hill. Crazy works, man. Crazy works. Oh, just know I'm getting like a heap of loads of bottled waters after this, man. Look at this hill, man. But it's giving me PTSD from Edinburgh, man. All those going up and up and up and up to the top of the city all the time. Didn't think it was like this here as well. I need like 3 bottles of water. Die of dehydration. Hello. So how long? 16-minute walk still. Yeah, she was beautiful, man. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh, this is literally all up. I guess I can kind of say I did a hike this trip. Low key. Now this is how I envision Italy. When you got those homes and you could literally just talk to your neighbor through like the window, like in the movies. Alright guys, so after this, call it a quits on the film and then just chill. Wait, I wonder if they actually got spas here. It's too hot for that anyway, but it'll be cool. But I'm in two minds whether I want to keep doing this journey. It's just so long. But I kind of committed to it now, so. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention at the start of the video, if you like this type of content, like, subscribe, share, comment like best part you've seen so far, whether it be of Pisa, whether it be of Florence, just the best thing that you've seen so far from the videos. And if there's anything I've missed or anything you suggest I see. Why does it feel like I'm the only person who actually comes down this way? Literally been empty roads for a while now. I don't know, maybe it's not like in like the, it should be like in the tourist suggestions because that's how I found it. So, but I feel like I'm the only person who actually comes there. Unless everybody else gets like a taxi or something, because the road has literally been empty for a minute. But this heat, man, it's no joke. No joke at all, man. All these trees, they're like olive trees, I'm pretty sure, right? They grow like the little olive pods. Bro. Holy shit, man. Bro, you ever play like Forza? Or those games where they have like the Italian maps? And then you have like the racing. These are the kind of tight alleyways and stuff. Not alleyways, kind of tight roads that they be driving down. Shit like that. Bro, I honestly hope I'm going to the right place. Where's it actually taking me? Maybe this is the walls here. Cause it's literally vacant, bro. Now what the hell? And all you could hear is like the animal sounds. This must all be the walls. Yeah, I've done a hike this trip. I don't want to hear anybody tell me I ain't done a hike this trip. I've done a hike this trip, I'll tell you that. Oh. Oh yeah, there is some tourists down there, so. But look at this steep hit, bro. I'm not coming back up this hill. If I have to come back up this hill, I'm crying. I'm crying. Oh, this hill is crazy. Oh, there must be a way to go down that way, man. This is insane. This is literally torture, man. Wow, no way they're coming back up. Please don't be coming back up. Please tell me there's a way to go down that way. Walls of Florence, guys. There's cars coming up. Wish they could pick me up and take me down. This is such a steep hill to go up there. Like, honestly speaking. Oh, look at these walls. Damn. Wow. Alright, yeah, no, this wasn't no facade. This is actually pretty cool. Bro, everywhere we go just reminds me I ain't got my camera. The good news is there must be another way to come around because I'm not coming back up. But at least you get to see like the outside of the walls, you know? Like this is like medieval time, man. Like, come on, there's a castle siege shit there. Oh man, now Florence is beautiful though, like all jokes aside. It's actually really beautiful. Oh man, like, look at these walls, man. Nah man, it's crazy how history just remains, and you know, like the way the world is headed as well, with everything that's going on. The stuff that we look at, the stuff that we're used to now, at one point it's gonna end up being history. Like we look at this stuff as history right now, but all the stuff that we're seeing today is gonna be history to our kids or to someone else. You know, when all these wars and things happen and everything's destroyed, everything that we're used to is gonna end up being someone else's history. You know, so this is actually outside the walls of Florence. Hello guys. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, so Yeah, so these are the walls. So maybe there's like a cut-off border where it goes into like a different region and it's not Florence no more. The walls of Florence literally go all the way around. There's like another tower, but I'm not hiking that next hill. I can't do that. Not without a bottle of water at least. What the hell is that? That's some red bee, but red. That's some hybrid bee, man. But yeah, guys, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share with anybody who'll be interested. I'll likely have more videos on Florence coming out, but if it comes out, you will see it, okay? So take care.